Welcome back, y'all. Today we're taking out the Swedish casemate, the SWEDISH MEAT GRINDER-SAV.20.12.48, otherwise known as SAV-20. It is essentially just a Swedish casemate with very good reload and 5% armor, so let's get on with it. Just a fun tank to play. Simple. Gonna try and maybe get a flank on A. Kind of see how it goes. Depending on what happens, we might move. Tip with this being a casemate, it's kind of a struggle not having a turret, but we do sit very low, so it's another plus for us. We did get a half decent team spread at least. I wasn't the only one who went bottom spawn, so that was a good sign of getting in the match. Oh, Puma. Oh, not gonna get a gun on time though. Second one though. We are gonna get a gun on this one. And he just won't die, so we're gonna HE. I hear something to my right, I'm not sure if it's teammate or not. Keep it 4. Ooh. First Puma has noticed us. Taking. Thankfully, only my gunner out though. I do believe this Sherman behind me is watching this Puma, so hopefully we can peek without having to worry. I don't believe this T-34 knows we're here. And he's done for. Unless I was scouted, there wasn't really a way for him to tell that I was there unless he heard me. But because the softs at such a low battle rating, normally you fight a lot of newer players, which is kind of just a seal clubber at that point. Not what you want to see while playing an open top play that much. So we're gonna get out of here. Maybe if I was on something else, I'd get to that already. Ooh. Concept 3 gets taken out by Puma. I do have that Sherman 3 though watching my back, so it does allow me to reposition myself out of the RD. Gonna head towards the B point. I hear something to my left, I want to say. Oh, not good. Okay, thankfully. Alright, we were on a flat enough terrain for our gun to be fairly stabilized there. That was very close. A little too close for my comfort, but got down in the end. That's all that matters. Now I do hear about 2 tanks, I want to say. T-34, maybe a... I'm not too sure actually what else I'm hearing. Panther 4. Something to my back, the left as well. Just got hit. Ooh, 3 targets. Can't really do anything. I think yes, T-34's watching me and the Panther 4's watching me. I do believe. I'm trying to traverse out of the situation. That Panther 4 and T-34 could easily pinch me. Oh, sniping me out. Go and deal with him quick if we can. I think his gunner was already missing though, so he wasn't a threat to us. Let's see what we can do here. I'm not too sure how teammates holding up against that T-34. That's too steep for me to go up. Oh, T-34's down though. Very nice team. Panther 4's last one. And he's down as well. Very nice. I think that was a friendly around the lane in front of me. I hope it was. I can't tell if this guy is on the other side or... Oh, that was him. Never mind. Fortunately, we didn't fully trigger there. Try and stay cautious. There's already right there, so I don't want to stay here for too long, but crossing that open gap is never what you want to do when it comes to tanks. You never want to cross open gaps that lead, or one way leading to respawn. Hopefully this plane doesn't see me. Doesn't seem to be shooting at me. KV-85 maybe? Yep. Nope, KV-1. I don't want to throw the KV-85. The barrel would be much bigger. Wasn't too sure what my thoughts were on that one. Puma might still be at the A side. Gotta be careful of that. I'm kind of in their spawn, but I'm kind of just not seeing any enemies, so we're gonna try and prop up right here. Oh, nope, never mind. We are on the map. Hoping we wouldn't be on the map right there, but we are. And I'm not just gonna sit here and be on the map, so. Oh, Panther 3, Panther 2 maybe, didn't see me. I don't know how he didn't see me. To be honest with you, I'm not using a snow camo and a bright green. I think I'm bright, dark green. Let's try and back up for now. There's a two sat thing come out of right here. I do need to be careful. I'm not seeing any enemies though, so I might resort to me going in their spawn. I'll sit it for a second, see how it goes. I don't like spawn camping, but sometimes matches just, they're slow. So, hearing a lot of planes above me, which is very concerning. And this thing being an open top, it will be ripped to pieces by even 7.62 from planes. So. Yak 3, maybe Yak 9 maybe coming in. Completely missed. Thankfully the Informer 4 did not die though. We are on the map, but there's just no enemies coming, so the team's already on one side spawn. We're into their spawn, so let's see what we can do here. I do hear someone though. Let's see what we got. Plane. Oh, Panther 4. Another Panzer of some sort. I couldn't really tell. Oh, no, Panther 4 as well. Doesn't know I'm here, or he probably does know I'm here. She's too chaffy. Oh, completely whip shot. Thankfully, we got 1.2 second reload. Oh, another Panther 3. I don't know how he didn't. I completely whipped that shot as well. Whiffed that one. Did get there in the end though. Don't mind the aim. It's the first time I flew this thing in a very long time. Jack Panther. I'm not too sure. I don't see me. I've been marked on the map for a little bit now, but they're still not even, looking my way. That's probably going to be the end of this match, though. Their team is not looking the best with being in both respawns. So I'm not going to be just sitting there because they do get 15 seconds to spawn pro, so no point for me just sitting there spawn and getting an open shot on me, plus there's artillery. I don't need to back up this far, but I do. I'm not gonna get rid of that artillery, you know? Ooh, another Panther 4. Yeah, spawn pro though. He is moving though, which means he's gonna run out very soon. And yep, there he goes. Eleven kills though. Not bad at all. Been a pretty fun game. That's gonna be GG on that one. Let's go to the next one. Well, we're starting a little late on this one. Like an idiot, I drove to the very top of the map to get on the top side flank. As soon as I got there, I realized I could not get on the top side flank. So we're coming back down to KV of some sort. I cannot tell. Just missed the bomb plate. Again, not going through though. I don't know if that actually penetrated or just the APAG filler just killed him. Oh, not good. 2 tanks, Sherman, 1 to Sherman. Smoke up, see if we can get cover of some sort. This dugout here, sitting maybe for a little bit. Don't get both their tensions off me. That I'm very late to this battle because I had to come back. But never gonna try though. Right, taking a good bit of points from the holding point. From the playing up, thankfully. He does back in M10, so it's gonna help us. It's a good thing to have friendly casts. Never a good thing when you have enemy casts, so especially when you play open tops. I do see teammate push up, which gives me a little more hope, and all the hope disappeared. But you don't really want to be on the front line with a Salvage 20 just because of how thin the armor is. Oh, T-34 or maybe. Yeah, he's dead. He's done. Very nice team. Trying back this up here. T-34. Oh, on the right. I want to say I saw 2 shells, right? Not too sure. Kind of 4 down. I'm pretty sure there's 2 shells right though. Window with T-34. Not too sure where this second guy is. Ooh, you're right there where he was. Thankfully, teammate did deal with him though. I don't think he saw me though. He did shoot at teammate instead of me. But thankfully, teammate did deal with him. Oops, Sherman. 105 maybe? Looks French paint. Yeah, well, yeah, 105. French Sherman. You always tell that it's French. It's actually an American thing, but it's French texture because it's just the pure of the paint. Purely off the paint, you can always tell. Oh, number 3. Going to get him out. We're pushing back decently well here though. Just trying to make sure we don't get flanked from behind. Ooh, another 105 maybe? Couldn't quite tell. But where is this French? You can always tell by that dark olive paint. I don't say it's a dark olive, I think the American have dark olive paint. French is more of like a grayish, bluish paint. Medium tank. So, but we do have 2 friendlies up there though. Oh, another French 105, yep. You can always tell by that paint color. Panzer 4, yep, Panther 4. Okay, nice teammate. Cross that one through with such an aggressive angle. And let out Panther 4, even though the Panther 4 does a very weak side armor. All the Panther chassis do. Hopefully we save teammate there. Try and look down at the valley to see if they're giving our team a hard time. They have been struggling on this side majority of the game. Don't see anyone though, so we're kind of gonna turn back, try and hold it down up here. Yep, terribly good shot. That was the second one, got him though. That was Panther 3. I thought it was Panther 4. It was the turret guards, but it's just Panther 3. No, that's a Panther 4 though. I'm bad with that. Fortunately for me, he did not see me at first, but we did end up getting the first shot off. We did get a little too aggressive here though. I don't know if we're going to be able to get back to that point. Because for us to get back, we're going to put our back towards the enemy. And that's the downside of a casemate. Whatever you're fighting, you have to have in front of you. Tank to my left, though. It's going to KV2 down low, because our poor Crusader will get atomized. Oh, hands are fine. And they're gonna go pin of 3. It's the problem with the casemate, no turret, so we just swing the entire tank around now. We just swing. Come on. Nice. Oh, another tank to our left. Did not hear him. Nope, 2 tanks. I don't know where that Panther 3 was aiming. This thing does have paper armor, so a lot of times rounds just go right through it. Like, I don't know if we can come back from this one. Unless teammate can get the cap, we're gonna bleed out due to tickets. But hopefully teammate can get there in time. Kind of debating here. I need to look at. Is it even worth spawning in? They have so many more people compared to us. They're still alive. We try and make it there though. I don't give up just shit. Hopefully that kit or tank shorty can make it up. Try and tell team. Oh, there goes there goes the gun carrier. So I can't even say anything, it was completely my fault, and I drove past the point during the beginning. So honestly, the reason we lost the game was my fault. Give team or any team a GG well played. Same thing to my team did do well. But instead of the end, they kind of just played point a little better. It was my fault though, I got aggressive instead of going for point. I should have went for point, and I should have started playing more aggressively. It would have given some breathing room. That's completely my fault though, so it's gonna be GG though. 12 kills though. Well, this is SAV.20. If y'all did enjoy the video, please do subscribe and like. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers to the newest goal we have. So yeah, if y'all like, hope you have a good day, and peace out. Catch y'all next one.